Welcome to Focus Bright. In today's video, we're diving into the fascinating world of severe weather, specifically focusing on the critical differences between hurricanes and tornadoes. We'll explore how these powerful storms form, their unique characteristics, and the impact they have on our environment. By the end of this video, you'll have a clearer understanding of what sets these two phenomena apart. So, grab a seat and get ready to learn about the wild side of nature. Definition of hurricanes. Hurricanes are powerful tropical storms characterized by strong winds and heavy rainfall. They typically form over warm ocean waters, where heat and moisture create a low-pressure system. A hurricane features a distinct structure, including the eye, a calm center surrounded by the eye wall, where the strongest winds occur. For a storm to develop into a hurricane, sea surface temperatures must be at least 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Hurricanes are categorized using the Saffir-Simpson scale, which ranges from Category 1 to Category 5 based on wind speed and potential damage. Definition of tornadoes. Tornadoes are rapidly rotating columns of air that extend from a thunderstorm to the ground, often taking on a distinctive funnel shape. They can produce incredibly high wind speeds, sometimes exceeding 300 miles per hour. Tornadoes typically form during severe thunderstorms, particularly in conditions where warm, moist air meets cool, dry air, creating instability. To classify tornadoes, meteorologists use the enhanced Fujita scale, which rates them from EF0 to EF5 based on the damage they cause and their wind speeds. Size and scale. When comparing hurricanes and tornadoes, size is a significant factor. Hurricanes can span hundreds of miles in diameter, often measuring between 100 to 1,000 miles across. In contrast, tornadoes are much smaller, typically ranging from just a few dozen yards to a mile wide. While hurricanes can affect large regions and cause widespread damage, tornadoes, despite their smaller size, can produce intense localized destruction. Understanding these differences in scale helps us appreciate the varying impacts these storms can have on communities. Duration. Hurricanes can last for days or even weeks, slowly moving across large areas and causing prolonged damage. In contrast, tornadoes are typically short-lived, often lasting only a few minutes to an hour. This difference in lifespan significantly affects the extent of the damage. Hurricanes can lead to widespread flooding and destruction over time, while tornadoes can create intense but localized devastation. Notable examples include Hurricane Katrina, which lasted for several days, and the Joplin tornado, which struck for just a few minutes but caused catastrophic damage. Wind speeds. When it comes to wind speeds, tornadoes can reach much higher velocities than hurricanes. Tornadoes can produce winds exceeding 300 miles per hour, making them some of the most destructive forces in nature. In contrast, the strongest hurricanes typically have maximum sustained winds of around 157 miles per hour, classified as Category 5 on the Saffir-Simpson scale. These extreme wind speeds significantly influence damage potential. Tornadoes can obliterate structures in seconds, while hurricanes cause widespread destruction over a larger area. Geographical occurrence. Hurricanes typically form over warm ocean waters in tropical regions, with the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans being prime areas for their development. These storms usually occur during the Atlantic hurricane season, which runs from June to November. On the other hand, tornadoes are more common in specific areas, particularly in the central United States, known as Tornado Alley. Tornado season generally peaks in spring and early summer when conditions are most favorable for their formation. Understanding these geographical patterns helps us prepare for these powerful weather events. Warning systems. Hurricanes benefit from advanced tracking systems that monitor their development and movement over longer durations, allowing for timely warnings days in advance. This gives communities ample time to prepare and evacuate if necessary. In contrast, tornado warnings require rapid response due to their short lead times, often giving only minutes of notice before a tornado strikes. This urgency emphasizes the importance of preparedness for both types of storms, ensuring that individuals and families have plans in place to protect themselves and their property. Impact and damage. Hurricanes can lead to widespread flooding and extensive structural damage, affecting entire communities. For instance, Hurricane Harvey in 2017 caused over $125 billion in damages, primarily due to flooding. In contrast, tornadoes, while smaller in scale, can produce localized but severe destruction. The Joplin tornado in 2011, for example, resulted in 158 fatalities and over $2.8 billion in damages, obliterating neighborhoods in minutes. Understanding the potential impact of both storms is crucial for effective disaster preparedness and response. In conclusion, we've explored the key differences between hurricanes and tornadoes, from their formation and size to their impact and warning systems. Understanding these distinctions is vital for safety and preparedness during severe weather events. We hope this information has been helpful and engaging. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel, like, and share it with others. Don't forget to check out our related content for more insights into the fascinating world of weather phenomena. Thank you for watching.